Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a wallet app not working on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now wallet app is not working here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, basically to fix a malfunctioning wallet app on your iPhone, you have to simply quickly force close the app, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network connections, and perform a standard iPhone restart. So guys, if you want to quickly close the app, you have to simply drag the app and close it. So guys, this is the first way, and after this you have to simply drag down your control center and turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds, and after this turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply update the wallet app from App Store, and then if it doesn't work, then you have to simply contact your service provider or your bank or the Apple support team from here. So guys, from here you can easily get the help regarding this issue. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.